Hi my guys, welcome back to our next program for today. And our next program today, it has two important: Hausa Kalan, English Kalan. So let us start. I feel test. Maybe someone took long time without to drink some water or some drinks like fruit drinks. So he may say, I feel thirsty. Ishirwa, ina jin ishirwa. Wataƙila wani ya ɗauki lokuta mai tsawo ba tare da ya sha ruwa ba. To, wannan shi ne feel thirsty. Ruwa, thirsty, ishirwa. Thirsty, ishirwa tana nufin ishirwa. Okay? I feel sleep. Maybe someone took long time without sleep. Example, like my friend, yesterday he didn't get to sleep because he do something. Hi my guys, how are you? Hey, please my friend, I feel asleep. Yesterday I didn't get to sleep because of something. Okay, that's why I know everyone know that. Sleep, but I feel cold. Sunny, I feel cold. Maybe yesterday, 2 days ago, we get the hot weather. Yeah, we get some. We get some sunlight. We get sunlight. So and today the snow is today. So someone I'm not just saying it. I feel cold. Next, I feel tired. Nagaji. I feel tired. Oh, maybe someone working hard. This may say, I feel tired. Nagaji. I feel better. Or maybe someone have no feed. 2 days ago, he got to the hospital and check him and see the doctor and receive some medicine. Yeah, he used with it. After he say, I get better. I feel better. Ina samun sauki. Next, I feel shine. Yeah, I feel shine. Ina jin kunya. I feel shine. I feel happy today. Maybe you meet with your friends, with your girlfriend, your school friend. Yeah, I feel happy today. I didn't saw my old girlfriend, but today I saw her. I feel happy today. I'm hungry. Next, I hungry. I didn't eat food. I hungry. I didn't eat food. Ina jin yunwa. Hungry. I didn't eat food. Ban ci abinci ba. I feel unhappy. Maybe someone hurt you. No, that's not good. I feel unhappy. Bana jin daɗi yau. Ina cikin baƙin ciki. Yeah, I feel unhappy. Ina cikin baƙin ciki. I feel fear. Someone want to hurt me. Someone to cheat me. Because I didn't do anything with him, but he hurt me. Why? I don't know why he hurt me. I feel fear. Ina jin tsoro. I feel dizzy. Maybe you have no feel better. You are not better. you lose something. I feel dizzy that you saw the sky, like some water. Some water yana juyawa kuma ruwa yana juyawa. I feel dizzy. Ina jin jiri. I have cold. Mura. Ina mura. Mura. I feel cold. Ina jin mura. Ina mura. I have a headache. Wow. I have a headache. I have a deep headache. Ina da ciwon kai babba ya tsananta. I feel headache. Ina da ciwon kai ya tsananta. My stomach. Someone not well. Baggage. I have a baggage also. I have a baggage. My tools not better, not well, not better. I feel bad. I have a bad ear. Nah, ciwon ido. I have a bad ear. Bad leg. I have a bad leg. Ciwon kafa. I have a fever. Ina zazzabi. I have a fever. You feel cold in your body and you shake. You didn't shake it. It shake for itself. Not you shake it. You feel fever. I feel fever. Zazzabi. I have some visitors. Ina da waɗanda suka ziyarce ni. I have visitors. Some my friends visited me today in my home. I have a visitor. So thank you, the audience. We get 20 words that we didn't know it before. Saw it on the board now. Write down. Thank you permit us today and discuss about some word. Meet with you sometime next time. Thank you. Share and like it.